Do you want to see how money flows in your life and make smarter financial choices? Let me show you the best financial dashboards that's going to help you do just that. Now, let me just tell you, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So if you're trying to track your spending, grow your savings, it can be hard to know where to start, okay? You might feel like you're juggling so many numbers, but a great financial dashboard is gonna make everything easier. So one awesome tool is Mint, okay? M-I-N-T. So basically it's gonna show you where your money is going. It's gonna help you set budgets. It's gonna give you an easy way to track your goals, okay? Another great option is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. So which focuses on giving every dollar a job and making sure that you stay on track. So if you're looking for something simple but powerful, personal capital is perfect. That's what it's called, personal capital. Perfect for tracking both your spending and your investments, okay? So these digital dashboards are amazing because they organize your money. They show you, exactly where you stand. And by using them, you can better plan for your financial future. So what are you waiting for? I wish I started earlier. Try these financial dashboards. Don't forget to like, to comment if you got something out of this. I love you.